Villagers from Sangolda gherrowed assistant engineer at Poruri on Monday. They complained that they have not received electricity bills for last 6 months. Moreover, the residents are annoyed over the fluctuating power supply in the area. Agitated mob has threatened of severe agitation if the problems are not solved.
Residents of Sangolda marched the office of assistant engineer on Monday, demanding regular electricity bills. They have submitted a memorandum to the assistant engineer.
Last 6 months. And it has become very difficult. We do not know the lump sum of big amount will come, and what about the poor people? They will not be able to pay the bills. So we have asked for an installment to be given for this particular 6 months. So at least after 2 months we have to pay the bills. So we want that, and we have taken an assurance from him that he is going to look into the matter.
Problem तर परत फेस करचो पडत जाल्यार आमी मिनिस्टरा कडेन वयतले आनी समज डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन स्टाफ ना जाल्यार हांव मागता मिनिस्टरा कडेन की तेंच्यांनी स्टाफ घेवचो जो स्टाफ टेम्पररी काम करता तेका फिक्स करचे आनी टेम्पररी स्टाफ घेवचो.
However, the electricity officials assured that the problem would be solved soon.
The contractor has not done his work and he is absconding. Absconding in the sense he is not doing his work. In spite of repeated reminders, everything or letters, he is not doing his work. So I reported to him. I joined today. I was on leave for 1 month. I joined today. So that is why the bills now nobody is there to work on the bill. They have to generate the bill and give us. Then only our meter reader can go and issue the bill.
This is a problem what happened. Augmentation of our station is going on. So it will take means work is in full sync process. Maybe another 10 days it should be getting overlaid.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Goa Basketball Association is in controversy with Lusophonia Games just few months away. Over 100 basketball players marched to the SAG office claiming that the Goa Basketball Association is functioning illegally in the state. They have demanded the President and Secretary of Goa Basketball Association, CF Vaz and Shekhar Jain, are heading the association illegally. The agitated mob has threatened to file a complaint with the Lokayukta.
This is against the Goa Basketball Association and BFI. जे वाज आणि शेखर जैन हांकां 20 वर्सां आनी इलेक्शन घेवना, हिशोब दिवना, रेजिस्ट्रेशनान रजिस्टर केल्ले ना, तांकां BFIन सांगलां की लुसोफोनिया गेम्साक इन्क्लूड करचे. वेर दीस एसोसिएशन हॅज बीन डिफांग्ड बाय SAG एंड डिफांग्ड बाय गोवा ऑलिंपिक एसोसिएशन. सो तांकां कशेंच घेवचें न्ही आमची मागणी आसा सगळ्यांची आनी आमी तांकां कशेंच घेवंक दिवचें ना. बास्केटबॉल एसोसिएशन डिफांग करचें आनी नवी लुसोफोनिया कमिटी अपॉयंट करची, दोज रियली आर वर्किंग फॉर बास्केटबॉल. सो हे आमी CM कडेन डिमांड घालतले आनी स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टरा कडेन की एक एडवॉक कमिटी अपॉयंट करची टू लुक आफ्टर द अफेयर्स ऑफ ओनली लुसोफोनिया गेम्स.
Very shortly, we, the basketball players of Goa and supporters of this game, are going to file an FIR in the police station against this massive fraud which is being played on the basketball players and the supporters of this game in Goa. We are also contemplating filing a complaint in the Lokayukta as well as the vigilance. Now you must be aware that Mr. Shekhar Jain is a senior customs and excise officer. Now as a senior officer, he is under the prevailing rules of sports ministry. He cannot contest in any sports association for a period of more than 4 years. Shekhar Jain is already there in this association for 16 more years as secretary. Now this is completely contrary to the rules of Government of India.
Any state association has to have membership of clubs. I would like to request Shekhar Jain and Vaz, please inform us which club is affiliated to you, how you are conducting general body meetings, and when you are submitting the accounts. The SAG has thrown them out. They are not invited for any meetings, but they happen to be in the role of associations.
They submitted a memorandum to the executive director of SAG, Sandeep Jakis. He has now assured to take up the matter to the government.
As far as the Lusophonia Games are concerned, I think we will have to take it up with our CEO and the government and see how best we can try to sort out this issue. It definitely, in the interest of the game, this issue needs to be resolved.
Our video journalist Chetan Gauss for Prudent.
Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow, Naveli MLA Avartano Furtado, Veli MLA Benjamin Silva rocked Dulles Stadium on Sunday. It was fun watching the match with the representatives of the state in a different role. The match began with a goal by CM. Have a look. If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.